Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and doing very good in your life. Back again with the useful, pretty and nice ideas and gorgeous designs. In this video guys, I'm going to show you very latest, very pretty and beautiful ideas of new and gorgeous designs and lovely ideas. You can see different layer haircut, long and short layer haircut ideas and designs. Perfect, stylish and amazing ideas and beautiful pattern. Hope you guys enjoy this amazing video. Hope you guys enjoy this latest ideas and lovely pattern. These beautiful, latest and gorgeous long length layer haircut ideas and designs are so good and so pretty. I hope you guys enjoy this nice and perfect long length layer haircut ideas, different type of dye hair color, and just keep on watching guys. And these beautiful ideas of haircut and hair color are so beautiful, looking very nice, looking very gorgeous, looking very pretty. And I hope you guys enjoy these nice and perfect ideas. I hope you guys enjoy these amazing designs. These lovely ideas of new haircut and hair color are so pretty and so good and looking very nice. Haircut and hair color will change your personality and also guys volumize your hairs. We all are following trend. We all are following fashion. If you love follow trend, if you love follow fashion, you will cut your hairs, you will color your hairs into different style and different ideas. I hope you guys enjoy these amazing, perfect and beautiful ideas and designs. I hope you guys, these perfect and nice ideas of haircut and hair color are so good and so pretty and so stylish. And hope you guys enjoy this amazing video. Hope you guys enjoy these amazing, perfect and beautiful ideas and style. And these latest ideas of new pattern and new designs and new style are so good. I hope you guys enjoy this amazing video. Latest designs and lovely ideas and beautiful pattern. And also guys, if you want to see more and different type of haircut and hair color ideas and style, you have to visit my channel and the playlist and see amazing videos and latest designs and style. Thank you so much for watching my all new videos, for watching these amazing and perfect ideas and designs and lovely pattern. And thank you so much for watching these amazing ideas and lovely pattern. We will be right back with another amazing video, with another amazing style, with another amazing designs and lovely pattern. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching my new video, for watching this latest and perfect haircut and hair color ideas and designs. And